Hey, Greg Mayo here, Blue Collar Real Estate, powered by High Garden Real Estate. Where the heck am I? Well, I'm in Carmel. I'm in Carmel at 233 Boulder Court. This beauty right here, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, located on Boulder Court. Now, it's right off 146 and Meridian. It's such a great location. You're on a cul-de-sac, no people, right? If they ain't on the street, they don't belong on the street. Let's talk about the inside. We walk in, we have your stairway upstairs. We'll go up there in a minute. This goes down to the dining family kitchen area. Here's a half bath, updated vanity. I mean, it's a half bath, you know what I'm saying? It's a bathroom. This big front room is ginormous. Are you seeing this? It's probably 16 by 12 or so. Huge room. Lots of natural light. Can we talk about the windows for a minute? All throughout the house, we have brand new Andersen windows. If you know anything about windows, Andersens are an industry standard. They're finished on the inside. These windows are going to last forever. Transferable warranty to the new owners. Here's our formal dining. Again, lots of natural light. Opens up into the backyard where we have a privacy fence already. So if you have dogs, kids, I don't know, goats. You probably can't have goats in Carmel, but you know what I'm saying. And we have this little recessed detail in the ceiling, which is lovely, and the chandelier. Pass through right here into the kitchen. Beautiful cabinets, Corian countertops. We have a new dishwasher, new stove, new microwave. Did I mention the new windows? And look at this back family room, y'all. This is terrific. You have your formal dining there. There's an island here. Maybe here we have some kind of, I don't know, pub type table, right? Or whatever. But then you have this giant family room. That is unbelievable. The stonework's terrific. It's a gas fireplace, so no splitting wood. You have to get your exercise another way, right? But this flooring, all through the main part of the house. This is bamboo hardwood. If you know anything about bamboo, it's sustainable. It grows fast. It's really hard. It's a terrific product too, and it wears well. We have a stamped concrete patio in the back. And again, you can see the privacy fence. I'm not going to walk around the backyard right now. You know why? Because it's cold. That's why. And I just came home from Tennessee where it was not cold. Normally on these walkthroughs, I don't show the garage, but I'm gonna. And I'll tell you why. Number one, it's a good sized garage. Yeah, they still got stuff in here because they're still moving out. But have a water softener, terrific. Water heater, brand new. Brand new gas water heater. Those are expensive. You don't have to pay for it. We have a brand new furnace and a brand new HVAC system, and they installed a whole house humidifier. Now, if you're familiar with Indiana winters, you know that the air inside the house gets dry. Skin cracks, fingernails, lips get chapped. You know, I don't know what that was, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, the other thing I dig, the laundry's right here, right off the kitchen. So you can be doing multitask all at once, right? All right, so let's go upstairs and check this out. I'm gonna turn you this way so you're not just staring at my face walking upstairs. But the upstairs, vinyl plank flooring, or as I say, luxury vinyl plank. You know what I'm saying, right? We have a full bed here. We have a full bedroom here. Nice sized bedroom, actually. This one's probably 11 by 12 or 13. Good sized bedroom. Come down the hall. We have the full bath, the main bath. And that shower, the whole thing, all the ceiling all the way down to the floor, brand new. So, which is terrific. Again, you don't have to worry about it. Back here, we have the third bedroom, and it's a decent sized bedroom. I mean, I compare it to some of the stuff I see in new houses, right? It's a great sized bedroom. And here, we have the master. Great sized room. Good sized closet here in the master. Shelf system, you could really go nuts with a California closet system or that type of thing. No, I don't work for them, and this is not an endorsement. And then here's the master bath, brand new vanity. Your commode, shower is I call it the peace surround shower. Walk in, it's 4 foot wide, not 5 foot like a tub. Terrific space. Now, with all that new stuff, right? all the things we got going on. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath in Carmel, and we're at $430,000. And you may say, well, Greg, how did you get to $430,000? I can tell you, we had an appraisal. My sellers did, so we know this house appraises for $430,000. We have great finance options. I can connect you to Stacy Mayo over at Ruoff, who can help with some of that. But with the recent thing that Trump's done with instructing Fannie and Freddie to buy back, billions of dollars in mortgage securities and bonds, interest rates, the market's responding favorably. Dude, this house has been on the market for a minute. We've made a couple adjustments after we had the appraisal to the price. But I'm telling you, now is the time to jump on this dude, right? Now. So if you have questions, do you like a private showing of the house or whatever, or if you already have a realtor and they have questions, give me a call, DM me down there, shoot me a text, carrier pigeon, whatever you got. I don't want you to miss this opportunity. If you or someone you know is looking for a beautiful home in Carmel, come down and check out 233 Boulder. Again, Greg with Blue Collar Real Estate.